What if your next smartphone could give you flagship power, smart AI features, a stunning display, and an all-day battery without costing a fortune? Well, Samsung might be preparing exactly that with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57, and trust me, this device could easily become one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of the year. Imagine holding a phone that looks premium, feels powerful, and performs like a flagship while still being part of Samsung's popular A-series lineup. The Galaxy A57 is expected to feature a beautiful 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling through apps, watching YouTube, and gaming will feel incredibly fluid and immersive. The display could also come with improved brightness and HDR support, making movies and social media content look vibrant and sharp even under bright sunlight. But the real magic may happen inside the phone, because Samsung is rumored to equip the Galaxy A57 with a powerful new processor, likely the Exynos 1580 or an upgraded mid-range chipset designed to deliver faster performance, smoother multitasking, and better gaming optimization. That means whether you're editing photos, playing heavy games, or running multiple apps at once, the Galaxy A57 should stay fast and responsive. Now, let's talk about something everyone cares about: AI features. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence, and the Galaxy A57 is expected to bring smart AI tools for photography, battery optimization, and performance management. AI scene detection could automatically adjust camera settings for the best photo, while AI battery management may learn your daily usage patterns to extend battery life throughout the day. Speaking of battery, the Galaxy A57 is rumored to pack a large 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging support, meaning you could easily get through a full day of heavy use without worrying about running out of power. And when you finally need to charge it, the fast charging technology should quickly bring your phone back to life. Now, the cameras might be where Samsung really surprises everyone. The Galaxy A57 is expected to feature a versatile triple camera setup, possibly led by a high-resolution 50-megapixel main camera capable of capturing sharp photos with excellent detail and color accuracy. Alongside it, there could be an ultra-wide camera for capturing landscapes and group photos, plus a macro or depth sensor for creative close-up shots. On the front, a high-quality selfie camera will likely deliver clear video calls and social media-ready selfies. Samsung's image processing and AI photography enhancements could make night photos brighter, portraits sharper, and videos smoother than ever before in this price category. In terms of design, the Galaxy A57 is expected to follow Samsung's modern minimalist style with a sleek body, slim bezels, and a premium glass-like finish that looks far more expensive than it actually is. The phone will likely run on the latest Android version with Samsung's One UI interface, giving users a smooth, customizable, and feature-rich experience with long software support. Now here's where things get interesting. Leaks suggest that Samsung may launch the Galaxy A57 sometime in early 2026, and if the rumored specs and pricing are accurate, it could become one of the best value smartphones on the market. A big display, strong performance, smart AI features, solid cameras, and reliable battery life all packed into one device sounds like a serious deal. But here's the real question: could the Galaxy A57 actually outperform some older flagship phones while costing far less? That's something we'll only know once the phone officially launches, and the answer might surprise a lot of people. Because if Samsung gets everything right with this device, the Galaxy A57 could quietly become the smartphone that everyone starts recommending this year. So keep your eyes on this phone, because the moment it launches, it might change the mid-range smartphone game in a big way. And here's the surprise for those of you who watched until the end. Many insiders believe Samsung could also introduce new AI camera tools with the A57 that normally appear only on premium Galaxy devices, which means this mid-range phone might deliver flagship-style photography features. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which country you are watching. Mobile phone fire.